Do you like kale? You certainly eat it sautéed, but probably have also seen it in hundreds of detox recipes. Isn't that right? Do you know the benefits of kale? Rich in nutrients that are essential for the good functioning of our body, when kale is associated with other ingredients, it gets even better to our health, since it releases more vitamins and minerals. Besides that, kale also helps eliminate toxins from the body, prevents bloating, and improves skin appearance. Isn't that great? Maybe that's why detox recipes work so well. See some of the best combinations to enjoy all the benefits of kale. Pineapple. The combination of pineapple and kale helps to fight many diseases, prevents premature aging, aids in digestion, and is a good ally of weight loss. This mixture is amazing for cleansing your body, besides being rich in vitamins A, C, and B complex. Carrot. Carrots and kale are amazing to prevent premature aging and the development of some diseases. Not to mention that carrots are one of the best options to activate all the benefits of kale. Chia. Since it contains calcium, magnesium, zinc, fiber, and B-complex vitamins, this combination improves mood, aids in the control of blood pressure and diabetes, besides also helping with weight loss and reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in blood. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to help us know how we are contributing to you and your health. Also, leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Ginger. Kale and ginger are great in detox juices because ginger helps detox the body and improves digestion. Besides that, this combo boosts the metabolism and favors body fat burn. Orange. Combining orange and kale is good to fight anemia, eliminate toxins, cleanse the intestine, and prevent many diseases, including premature aging. Lemon. When lemon and kale are combined, they promote an intestinal cleansing that contributes to body detox and weight loss. Cucumber. Cucumber is rich in water. Did you know that 95% of a cucumber is made of water? That's why you see cucumber in a lot of detox recipes, since it is a source of fiber, potassium, and other substances that help with bloating, and are also good for the skin, hair, and nails. Now that you know how and what ingredients to use with kale, choose the best option for your case, and then tell us what you think in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.